Nervos network is right now at this very interesting level, and the chance that we could see a massive explosion is here. In this video I will talk about Nervos network and share my price prediction with the long and short term analysis, and I will tell you the next potential interesting price targets, so let's go straight into the content. Nervos network is on place 98 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $1 billion. The coin is existent since 2019 and we saw the all-time high in 2021. And after we made the all-time high, we then saw this correction to lower levels. We then saw this longer consolidation for 1.5 years. And then finally Nervos network started to go to the upside. We also broke this last high right here, because this high was the start of this bearish move we made in lower low. So we had the supply zone right here. And after we closed with this weekly candle over this supply zone, we then continued to move to the upside. And we then came into the first really interesting area, this high right here at 2 cents 4. And here we saw the first bearish rejection to the downside. And if we have a look at the Fibonacci retracement level from the swing high to the swing low, you can also see that we perfectly reacted at the 0.5 retracement level. We just came with the wicks over this Fibonacci level, but then we reacted to the downside again. But we also found some support right here at this Fibonacci retracement level. And right now we are in this range. And if we are now breaking this one to the upside and this last high, then I think the chance is extremely high that we could see a massive explosion in the near future. And if we go on a daily chart, you can see that we have this demand zone right here. This demand zone where we started this bullish explosion to the upside. And we also saw rejection 2 times again. And if we are now breaking this last high and this high to the upside, then I think the chance is high that you could see the explosion. So on the short term, I'm very bullish right now, especially if we're breaking this highs, as I said. And for the long term, I'm also really bullish because I think Nervos network is a great project. And we already saw this massive bullish explosion to the upside, which is a really bullish sign. And from the price right now to the last all-time high, we would have potential of nearly 100%. But the best coins are also exploding in the bull run over the last all-time high. And I think Nervos network has the potential to reach even higher prices. And to calculate some potential price targets for the bull run, we are also using the Fibonacci retracement level. And then we are getting this potential price targets. And if we have a look at this 3.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of 15 cents. And from the prices right now to this kind of price target, we would have potential over 580%, which is really nice deal for Nervos network. And I think this kind of price target is very realistic for the bull run. Because if we have a look at the market cap, you can see that we have a market cap of 1 billion. So we have a lot of potential to the upside. And if we would reach this potential price target, we would have a market cap of $5 to $7 billion. And I think this is very realistic for this bull run. Especially with the now approved Bitcoin spot ETF, the chance is high that the whole crypto market is pumping to the upside in this bull cycle. So as I said, I'm very bullish on the long run. And again, for the short term, as you can see, we are clearly in a bullish trend. And if we are now breaking this last highs to the upside, the chance that we could see the massive explosion is there. And if you want to get daily updates on a crypto market or altcoins like Nervos network, then join my free Telegram group. You will find a link in the description. So guys, I'm really bullish on this project. And I think the chance is high that you could see even higher prices in the near future. And for the bull run, I'm also really bullish. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.